Namaste students, welcome to our EVS class. We are doing the second lesson from this block and the name of the lesson is water impurities. On the screen you can see that the water is polluted, it is dirty, it has so much of garbage in it. We can see some plastic items here. So do you think this water is suitable? Okay, is it drinkable for the animals or humans? Imagine what will happen to the water animals that live in such type of water, right? So what causes this water pollution and what can we do about it? Let us learn more about this. Let us move on. We already know that some water around us is not fit for drinking. Today we will learn about the causes that make water unfit for use. Okay, so the keywords that we are going to learn are ashes. What is the meaning of ashes? Soft grey powder left after something has been burnt. Drain, pipes that carry waste from the houses and other places. Flood, overflow of water from a river to the land that is not normally underwater. Water pollution, adding unwanted things to water, right?
Step 3.
Now, let us read this uh, article about a Peter's Lake. After reading this story about the Peter's Lake, then we'll decide what is the problem here and how it can be solved. Right now, have a look at this beautiful picture here. This is the Lake Peter. Okay, Peter's Lake. So you can see it is surrounded by mountains and we can see the sunlight here, the boats here, the trees here. Everything is beautiful and pleasant, right? And let us read this story. Polly lives near a big and famous lake named Peter's Lake. It is a beautiful place surrounded by mountains. Many birds flock in and swim in the lake. Many people come and visit the place. They do boating and eat snacks on the bank of the lake. So far we learned that it is a beautiful place surrounded by mountains. Many birds come and flock in and they swim in the lake. Okay, and many people visit here. They do boating and they also eat lot of snacks on the bank of the lake. So what happened? Recently the area looks overcrowded. Overcrowded means more people. Okay, overcrowded all the time. The lake water looks dirty. This is because the growing number of motorboats leak engine oil into the water. The layer of oil is visible all over. Some plastic packets also float near the bank. The place where the drains from the nearby area release wastewater smells bad. Birds have also stopped coming to the lake. So there is a lot of difference between the first paragraph and second paragraph here. So what happened to the Peter's Lake? Okay, in the beginning everything was very fine, pleasant, beautiful, perfect. Even the birds used to come and enjoy here. People used to come, do boating, have snacks and spend their time here. What happened recently? The place got overcrowded. More number of people started coming here. The lake looked very dirty. The water was very dirty. So this is because of more motor boats. More motorboats in the lake which causes leak. So the engine oil leaked from the motorboats and it is floating all over the lake. Okay, on the surface of the lake you see this layer of oil floating. The layer of oil is visible all over. Some plastic packets also float because the people were eating snacks on the banks. So this plastic packets, after they eat the snacks, they threw them around. So they were carried to the lake water and they were floating everywhere. And nearby there were people whoever resided there. From there, okay, the drain water, wastewater got mixed with the lake water. So this was the cause that birds stopped coming to the lake, right? So what can we do about it, children? Tell me. See, just we have to see that the water is pure. We should not pollute. We should stop the people who are polluting or throwing garbage into the water. And we should see that the engine oil does not leak into the lake. So, because the water got dirty, no one is ready to come and visit this place. Even the birds also stopped coming. So, if people drink or if the water animals drink such type of water, they'll fall sick, right? So, it is really dangerous, right? Let's move on and let's learn more. Let us watch this video.
Water gets polluted when harmful things are added to it. Throwing waste from houses and factories and spilling oil from boats and ships are the major human activities that cause water pollution. Volcanic eruption and flood are natural causes of water pollution. We should avoid such activities that cause water pollution, as it is not only harmful for us, but it is also harmful for plants and animals.
So from this video we understand that humans are also causing a lot of water pollution by throwing garbage into it. When factories release the chemicals or the wastewater into the lakes, the water gets polluted, and such kind of water is danger for humans as well as plants and animals. So people who use such type of water, they may fall sick, okay, and they may have different health problems. So we should try our best not to cause any water pollution. We also learnt about the natural water pollution. Natural causes are volcanic eruption and floods, right? So let's move ahead.
Okay.
What are the things that polluted the water in Peters Lake? What things polluted the water in Peters Lake? Okay, people throwing the plastic packets after eating the snacks. They were enjoying sitting in the banks, right? So more number of people, when they ate these snacks, they didn't mind to dispose them properly. So instead they threw these packets everywhere. So this plastic packets, they mixed up with the lake water, Peters Lake water, and when more number of people went for boating, even the engine oil from these boats leaked, and all over the surface of water in Peters Lake, it was visible everywhere. The oil was everywhere, right? And nearby the houses nearby this Peters Lake, from that residential area, the drain water from this place got mixed up with the water in the Peters Lake. Three causes, right? Throwing plastic packets and garbage, then releasing the drain water into the Peters Lake, and the oil leakage from the motor boats. All this caused water pollution, water to become impure. So these were the three causes, right? Let's move ahead. So Peters Lake got polluted from to the oil that spilled from the boats, leftover garbage that people threw into the lake, and wastewater from the drains, right? What are the different natural and human activities that pollute water bodies? Different human activities like throwing waste in water, releasing wastewater from drains, harmful things from factories and farms, and oil leaking in the water can pollute water bodies. Different natural activities like volcanic eruptions and floods can also pollute water. During floods, different plant and animal waste products mix with water and get into water bodies. Now, let us look at this flow chart, and you can copy this in your notebook later. Natural activities causing pollution. So when volcanoes erupt, out comes the lava. It carries smoke and dust. So this dust pollutes the water. Even when there are storms, the wind blows, right? And it carries dust and dirt. When there are floods, the rivers overflow with water, and there is a chance of like the dirty waste and garbage get mixed with this river water. This is how the water bodies are getting polluted by the natural activities. Now let us check out human activities causing pollution. People throw garbage, okay, throwing garbage, drain water mixing, waste from factories and farm mixing, oil spilling, all this cause water pollution.
Part
How can the pollution of Peters Lake affect the people living in the nearby areas? Okay, there are some people who live nearby the Peters Lake. So, what happens to them who are dependent on it for water? See, these people come to they collect the Peters Lake water and they use for different purposes. What type of effect will the dirty water have on their health?
let's
If people from nearby areas drink water from Peters Lake, they may fall sick as the water is polluted. They can get different diseases like typhoid, jaundice. They can also get skin problems. The polluted water would also cause diseases in plants that grow in or around the lake. It can also kill the water animals living in the lake or other animals that drink water from the lake. So, such kind of water, how will it affect the people? The people will fall sick if they use this, and different diseases like typhoid and jaundice. Okay, they can get such kind of diseases and skin problems, and even the plants around. If they take in this polluted water, they also get diseases. Water animals which live in the water, like fish, starfish, whale, turtles, so many, they also may drink and they can get killed, right? So now
Okay.
all of you open your worksheet, put today's date in that. This is 11.2 date. Tick the things that can pollute water. 4 options are given. You have to tick the correct options. A. Plants growing in water. B. Mixing of drain water. C. Mixing of air. D. Throwing plastic bottles. So you are going to tick that things that can pollute water. Which activities pollute the water? Plants growing in water? No. Mixing of drain water? Yes. So you are going to put a tick to B1. C1, mixing of air? No. Throwing plastic bottles? Yes. So B and D are going to tick. Question 2. Look at the river flowing near a factory and answer the questions. Right? So this is a factory. You can see the smoke is emitted out through the chimneys, and you can see there is a water body nearby, and there are some ships, and I think there is some dirt also floating on the water. Right? Now let us answer these questions after looking at the picture. Fill in the table. 2 causes of river water pollution. What are 2 causes of river water pollution? How does the river water get dirty? Okay, when factories release the smoke and chemicals, okay, it is the waste product for the factories, right? When they release it into the water bodies, then the water gets polluted, right? So another cause, what can you give? When the drain waters get mixed up with this water bodies, then at that time also water gets polluted. If people throw garbage into the water bodies, river water gets polluted. Is this natural or human made problem? It is human made problem, because factories, garbage from people, okay, all this is human made. B, question B. Do you think the river water shown in the picture is fit for drinking? Why? No, the river water is not fit for drinking because it is impure. Okay, it is impure. If people drink such kind of water, they will fall sick, because the water contains harmful chemicals, dirt, and it is dangerous to drink such water. Now let us move to the content book. All of you open your
Okay.
content book and answer the practice questions. Write true or false. Oil leaking from a boat into a river can pollute the river water? Yes. So you are going to write true, right? So oil leaking from a boat into a river can pollute the river water. All of you write true there, TRUE, true. Then B point, polluted water can harm water animals but cannot cause harm to plants. This statement is false. How can the polluted water harm water animals, and how can the plants be safe? Such type of polluted water is equally harmful for both water animals as well as the plants. C1. We cannot stop water pollution is a false statement, because we can stop this water pollution if we take proper measures. So A1 is true, B1 is false, C1 is also false. Second question, we should ban plastics in and around the seas. Why? So this is a very good idea. If we ban plastics in and around the seas, we might there might be a lot of change. Okay, like people will not bring plastics near the sea, so they won't throw any plastic wrappers or garbage near the sea. So the water pollution in the seas can be controlled. Third question, a factory is opened near a lake. In 1 month, around 200 fish in the lake died. What, according to you, can be the cause of this? How could this be stopped? Okay, so 1 month back, imagine a factory was opened. So after 1 month, near the lake, okay, a factory was opened near the lake. After 1 month, we observed that 200 fish died in the lake. What might have happened? From the factory released, the people in the factory released the harmful chemical toxic waste into the lake, which caused the death of so many fish, right? And what can be cause of this? Is that is the cause. How could this be stopped? How can we stop such kind of things? Like, we can ask the people at the factory to treat the waste, okay, to reduce the toxicity or reduce such kind of chemicals which harm the water animals, right? So we have done the worksheet, we have discussed the practice questions in the content book. So don't forget to read the lesson from the content book twice. Do underline new words. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.